10 days of preparing and waiting for the right weather, we finally set off. The first few weeks were challenging as we endured seasickness, getting used to a very simple routine of 2 hours rowing followed by 2 hours of rest. Our bodies didn't take very well to it straight away as our hands developed calluses and our joints ached. Between rowing shifts, we get 2 hours to sleep, eat and wash all the salt water off us from the waves. The seats were padded, but it didn't replace the sores we developed from the repetitive motion. Routine was just bearable.
We're about 50 miles north of Lanzarote where we're stopping. So at the moment we're literally having to steer the boat like this, digging one oar into the water, going around the middle, and it's hard work.
After a 7-hour long battle in rough seas, we finally landed in Tenerife on Christmas Day, with charging problems that impacted our safety and navigation equipment, and a broken rudder that meant we couldn't steer it. We were dejected. It looked like the expedition was off. We started contacting families and friends to tell them that our months of preparation had been lost.